Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday morning. Let's do a video blog for you on what promises to be kind of an active day at times, but at other times it's going to be uneventful. It just sort of depends on what time you'll be out and about, whether or not you'll be impacted by the weather significantly today. Let's start with a look at the radar this morning at 8:55. A couple of areas of thunderstorms, actually. One down here in southern Ohio. The other is in northwest Ohio around the Toledo area heading towards Sandusky. As you can see, temperatures locally in the lower 40s this morning. It's quite a bit milder to our south and west, pushing 50 already in the Columbus area. In central and southwest Ohio, we'll have a much warmer day today than we will. And with that comes the threat for some severe weather for them. Not necessarily for us, though. Good news for us, the severe weather threat is not much of a threat today. Now, we could hear some rumbles of thunder, sure, but as we take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook today, let me take off the temperatures here. The Storm Prediction Center does have an enhanced risk in that red area. Getting up into southwest Ohio, this could be a pretty significant severe weather outbreak from Cincinnati to Louisville down to Nashville and Memphis and places like that. So that's for our neighbors off to the south today. For us, we're going to just worry about occasional rain today. Let's take a closer look at that band of thunderstorms that's moving through northwest Ohio. This has a fair amount of thunder and lightning with it from Findlay up towards Port Clinton, again approaching Sandusky. The question for us is how much of an impact does this have on our weather as we go towards midday? I suspect a lot of this thunder is going to miss us to the north. I can't rule it out at midday, but it's a small chance. Showers tailing off to the south of this might try to work in as we head towards lunchtime today. So let's take a look at our high-res futurecast here, showing us what the radar should generally look like. This is 10 o'clock this morning. Best chance for some heavier rain, some thunder will be north of I-80 and even closer to the lakeshore. And then as we go towards 11, noon, scattering of showers. This will be hit or miss stuff. Again, small chance for thunder, but scattering of showers at midday. Here's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. And by mid-afternoon, as a lot of people are heading home from work and school, not much should be going on. Might be a spotty shower. That should be about it. This is 4 o'clock this afternoon, 5 o'clock. And then rain chances will increase again as we head past sunset this evening. Here's 7 and 8 o'clock this evening. Another round of showers around and perhaps some thunder mixed in as well. Real quickly, I want to show you the big temperature contrast across the region today. Our temperature forecast is tough today. Look at this. I mean, it could be 77 degrees in Columbus this afternoon and barely into the upper 40s along the lakeshore. Locally, I think there's going to be a range from north to south. I think up towards Route 87 and over into northern and eastern Mercer County, east of I-79. Probably not much better than 47, 48 degrees this afternoon. Down in the southern and southwestern part of our viewing area, Hanoverton, Lisbon, Sebring, maybe even Canfield, you could get into the mid-50s this afternoon. So there's going to be a pretty big range even in our relatively small viewing area this afternoon. All right, so let's talk about tonight and tomorrow. More scattered showers for a while this evening, and then it just becomes more just light rain. Not so hit or miss or showery, but more just consistent light rain by tomorrow morning. And that'll be the case all day Friday. Just kind of a yuck day as we wrap up the work week on Friday and wrap up the month of March as well. It's just going to rain lightly at least just about all day. The rain will taper off to some drizzle by Friday night. And this is Saturday morning. I think we're going to start with a slate gray overcast Saturday morning. There could be some touches of drizzle and mist coming out of this, and then hopefully the sky will try to clear by Saturday afternoon. Some of our computer modeling here, the most recent run is the green line up top, and if you look carefully over on that side of the screen, I always do this wrong. Over on that side of the screen, there's some numbers over here on the left showing the rainfall totals, and this particular cluster of models has us up around an inch. Some of our other modeling is kind of singing the same song here. Notice they're all kind of clustered around an inch, some higher, some lower. So I think about an inch worth of rain is fairly likely between now and Friday evening. So free car wash for everyone, and it'll continue to wash away some of that winter salt off the roads, that's for sure. All right, I'll have more updates, of course, as we get into the afternoon and evening. Be sure you're following Jess Briganti on Facebook and Twitter. She'll have a full update on social media. She's already done a Facebook Live this morning. And, of course, tune in at noon for the full 7-day forecast and everything else you need to know on 21 News Midday. Have a great Thursday.